Hello friends, hello student. Today I will start the new subject. It is the English grammar. Then I will tell you the different type of the tenses. So I will start here. So student, you know very well tense means time. Time has been divided into the three parts: present, past, future. And present tense, past tense, and future tense, they have all the four part: present, indefinite tense, then continuous tense, then perfect tense, then perfect continuous tense. Okay, now student. So today I will give you the basic information about the tense. This is the division of the tense, and each tense will be divided into the four parts, such as affirmative, then negative, then interrogative, then interrogative, negative. Okay na? So this is the important information. So there are 48 statements or the sentences you have to go through, then you will clear your all the tenses. So student, that is very important things which I want to discuss. Present tense, that will tell about you the, you will say live, means present, what is going on in present. Okay na? This life can be seen when the story has been told, and the person who is in the story, if he is telling the story, so this story will be also discussed into the present tense. You have seen sometime in the sentence in the present tense, in the past stories. Okay na? Past tense, that is the when time, or you will say the time which has been over, when time or over time, or you will say the time which has been finished. Okay na? So in such a way you have to discuss all the things which has been over or went or finished. Future, the tense where you will discuss the sentences which will be happen, means the, you'll say, telecast, or the something which will happen in the future. Future means something which is predicted, prediction. Okay na? So present tense, past tense, future tense, where all these statement which has been given about their nature, means we have to discuss the, you will say, present activities, past activities, future activities. Okay na student? So I will tell you all the sentences. Suppose if I discuss the sentence in the present tense, and the sentence, suppose, because that is very simple. Ram go to market. In the first, I want to make it clear. Ram, that is subject, that is verb, that is preposition, and that is object. That is in the form of noun. Okay na? That is in the form of noun or pronoun. Okay na student? So you can see well that Ram go to market. If I will some change in the verb, this is the main verb, then nature of tense will be changed. Suppose if I use there es, then the present tense will be there. Okay na? If I change there went, then past tense will be there. If I write there will go, then future tense will be there. It means all the things will depend about the tense will be in the verb. Means all the, you'll say, nature of the tense will be depend over the verb. So it means we have to make the complete attention here in the verb. That is very important part. Mostly the student and many of the people, they ignore this part and they focus all the sentences. But I want to tell you that all of you have to make the attention over the this part. That is very important part, because verb part is that will be divided into the two parts. One is helping verb, the second is main verb. Okay na? So I hope student you enjoyed today's video lecture, and I will start the grammar part from today, and I will continue this grammar part till the end of all the topics. Okay na? This is the new segment which has been given by my site, and that will help you to understand well the grammar. The way you will like also that I am just telling or teaching you the grammar. Hope you student you enjoyed this video lecture today. Thank you to listening me and watching me.